Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Images and tapping the camera icon. This is your entry point. Type a targeted keyword or paste an image URL to search by image, or click Upload to supply a photo. Use descriptive words when typing, colors, subject, or location to narrow results quickly. Once done, Google will process visual features. This speeds matching. Make sure your photo is not blurred and is reasonably sized so Google can extract accurate shapes and textures. Next, you review the return thumbnails and focus on the most similar images at the top. Use filters, size, color, type, and time to reduce noise. For example, choose large and transparent background to find logos. Click an image and then visit or view image for context. This shows the source page and often metadata like captions or dates. Once you compare sources, you can confirm authenticity or find higher resolution versions. Make sure to cross-check multiple results to avoid misinformation. To finish, you save the best source by bookmarking or downloading the original image and note the website for citation. If results are weak, crop the image to isolate the subject and retry, or enter alternate keywords emphasizing color, object, or location. This often yields better matches. If Google returns no good hits, try a higher resolution photo, different angle, or a clean background image. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or use incognito if results seem stale or personalized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.